Hey you guys, so just came from Publix and went shopping for the charcuterie board that I'm going to be making. So we're going to be making it in this vlog. I did a reel showing the behind the scenes of all the stuff that I'm going to get, but I didn't have my camera on me at the time, so now I'm about to show you guys all the stuff that I got.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it.
Alright you guys, so these are all the things that I decided to pick up from Publix. I went to Publix because this week they had BOGO deals, as they always do, and there were a few items on the BOGO deals that I really wanted to try for my first charcuterie board. So we're going to start off by using a cookie cutter to cut these cookies. These are raspberry cheesecake cookies from Publix. You can get them in the bakery section. I just decided to do a cute little fun shape for the client. Then we're going to go ahead and unwrap all of the dips, the buffalo chicken dip, the avocado dip, and so on and so forth. After that, we're going to go ahead and unpackage all of the items, the crackers, the chocolates, the pretzels, and we're just going to lay them out. I'm making a charcuterie board for only 2 people, so I didn't require so much of the items, but I did take out a few so that they would have a wide range of things to snack on. We're going to start on the Pepperoni Rose. So this is my very first time trying this, and I think I did great. So the key to doing a Pepperoni Rose, you want to use a cup that isn't so wide unless you're trying to make a big rose. So this is the cup I decided to use. It's just one of my drinking cups, and all you have to do is, first of all, I separated all of the pepperonis one by one because they were really stuck together. And then after separating, you're just going to fold it over and then overlap the next pepperoni onto the rose, and so on and so forth until you barely can see a hole in the middle of the cup. So you just keep it going, and then you're going to come out with a beautiful rose. Coming down too strong, 'cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist 'cause I need ya, and it's hard to be here 'cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Oh, don't
cuppa. You get to your clean and proper. Way I move, ain't no weekend lover. You gon' let me on your mind forever. Ever, thanks, baby. Turn it down, make it sweet and ready.
Now it is time to plate our charcuterie board. Again, I just decided to do what looks best on the eyes, so I don't really know placements yet. However, I do have a book that I have been studying that helps you with placement of items and what foods go well next to each other. So just go ahead and enjoy the rest of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. How do you think I did for my very first charcuterie board? Talk to you guys later.